You're watching iLovei. My name is Nate, and we're over here in Honolulu, and we're gonna check out this Hawaiian favorite called Zippy's. Now, Zippy's has local Hawaiian dishes and also a bunch of other stuff. This is actually the first time I've been at Zippy's, so let's check out how good this place is, because a lot of people have been telling me you gotta check it out. If I don't like it, I can always go to the administration building right over there. Let's go. So this is my first time at Zippy's, and I'm actually kind of overwhelmed on what we ordered. We ordered a bunch of food. I guess the first thing that pops into mind when I think of it kind of reminds me of Jollibee's, but with a much bigger menu. This place has a huge menu. They have from a mini hamburger steak. It's not the Loco Moco. Normally with the Loco Moco, they put the egg on it. They also put mac salad on it. This is another Hawaiian breakfast staple. Corned beef hash, egg, spam, rice. And then this one right here is their Korean fried chicken. This is their normal size platter. 2 scoops of rice. That's a good portion of chicken. And then the mac salad too. So let's dig in. I'm gonna start off with the breakfast. That's how you gotta start your day off. It's basically corned beef hash with some egg and some spam. Alright, so let's try this. Oh man, I like their corned beef hash here. They make it really moist, you know, because corned beef hash, like, a lot of times it tastes like canned food, so it's a little dry sometimes. This is moist. This is their hamburger steak. Really reminds me of Jollibee's. The only difference with Jollibee's hamburger patty, they put mushrooms on it. It's got some onions on it. Oh, let's try that. Oh, that's good. Again, that's a pretty well cooked patty. I mean, it's nice and moist though. You know, one thing I haven't tried yet is your mac salad. A lot of places, mac salad's hit or miss. Oh, this is nice and creamy. It has little cuts of carrots on it, so there's a little crunch when you're chewing it. This is a really good mac salad. Korean fried chicken. So this is the Korean fried chicken. Let's try this. Oh man. That sauce is good. So the sauce is like a teriyaki glaze right over it. And also the chicken, it's nicely breaded, and they didn't overcook. This is a really moist chicken. You can see how tender it is. Look at that. That's nice and juicy right there. Next is their fried chicken. Yeah, this thing looks crispy. And then they even sell you the breading on the counter, so if you like how it tastes, you can try to make your own at home. Man, that's moist too. Really do a good job at Zippy's to make their food moist. Man, I wish they had this in LA. I would come there at least once a week. Tabasco sauce with the chicken, and even better. Out of the 4 items we chose, actually all of them are good. I didn't have one I disliked. My favorite has to be that hamburger steak, just because, I mean, the onions on it, they were sweet. It really goes good with the gravy and the burger patty. The Korean fried chicken is bomb. The fried chicken is bomb too. So I don't have a least favorite. Let me know what your favorite dish at Zippy's is on the comments below. Also, if you guys know any other spots you want us to check it out, put it in the comments below so that way we can try to go check it out. Hit that subscribe button so that way you can see more videos just like this one, and also hit that bell notification so that way you'll be notified when a new video comes out. Lastly, share this with your family and friends because I love it. We're going to catch you on the next video. Peace.